Women will never tell you this, but I will. Okay, so women will purposely create false hope just to keep you chasing them because they like the attention. She usually has zero interest in actually taking things further with you, but by giving you little glimpses of hope every now and then, she keeps you holding on and ensures that you continue to chase her. Signs you're dealing with this type of woman. Number one, you're always available for her, but she's never available for you. So there's no such thing as being too busy for someone. That's just code for I'm too busy for you. I don't have enough time for you. When a woman truly is interested in a man, she makes time for him. Number two is she's talking to other men. So when a woman is really, and I mean really into you, you'll notice that she'll actually start cutting off men before you two even make anything official. Her attention is 100% concentrated in you. If she's entertaining other men, that means that she's still on the market and she's definitely not trying to be taken off by you. Number three is she will give you the runaround. You'll notice that she'll try to either completely avoid conversations about being together, or when feelings come up, she may be like extremely vague about it. So she may say things like, well, you know, I just have a lot going on right now, or I like you a lot, but, and it's just all a part of keeping you chasing. So here's a tip for you guys. Do not, and I repeat, do not mistake her wanting to be around you for genuine interest. So sometimes women will force themselves to be around you if they feel like that you're catching on to their game and they're losing your attention. So it's a way to re-entice and reel you back in. It's basically to guarantee that she still has a hold on you. So yes, like I said at the beginning, women will never tell you that, but I will. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.